Here. I've been working with a lot of you on helping you achieve your goals, and I just want to check in with you. You know, it's March, first week of March. You know, January's gone, February's gone. Are you on track to achieve those goals? You know, or are you like 80% of the world that's writes down their New Year's resolutions and have already given up on those? Hopefully that's not you. So here's a technique that can help you that I've used, and I learned it from Brian Tracy. And Brian Tracy taught me about the power of affirmations on setting those goals, but creating affirmations that help you become the person you have to become in order to achieve those income goals. I love what Jim Rohn says, the late Jim Rohn, one of the greatest of all time. He said, you first must become more in order to achieve more. That's why you always hear leaders talking about self-development and the importance of that. So what is an affirmation? An affirmation is a positive statement about yourself that overcome your many limiting beliefs. Like I had many limiting beliefs. So I had to reprogram my subconscious mind on who I wanted to become. Now, if you want to become a superstar network marketer and make $100,000 a year, there are certain characteristics that person has. They have to be a great public speaker. My gosh, be a great public speaker. That was one of my biggest fears. I had to program myself to become an excellent public speaker. You have to become great on the phone. Just think about what has to happen. You know, I got to know what to say and when to say it. I need to know how to overcome objections. So an affirmation for both of those areas would be one would be, I'm an excellent public speaker. Positive, present tense statement about yourself. Number two would be, I'm excellent on the phone. I'm great on the phone. I always know what to say and when to say it. Another very positive affirmation that makes you better on what you are saying and doing. Those are some affirmations you can do. One of my favorite affirmations is, I have the ability to achieve all of my dreams and goals. That is a universal affirmation that activates the law of attraction and brings people into my life. You could fine tune that more. Another affirmation I say on a daily basis is, I attract the people into my life that help me achieve my goals. I attract the people in my life that help me achieve my goals. That is how you activate the law of attraction, so you attract key quality people into your life instead of always trying to find them. So you want to change your programming, change your words change your programming. That is the basis of my ebook, Think It, Act It, Become It. That is the importance of it. So I hope that's helpful for you. I'm going to be doing a lot of these coaching. You know, like Napoleon Hill says, you first have to help other people achieve their goals and before you can achieve yours. So hopefully this is helping you achieve your goals. Have a great day. God bless.